Hello and welcome. We have reached 100 subscribers. Thanks to all the patrons for their support. Link to Patreon in the description. And to all subscribers, watchers, etc. for their interest in the materials. I hope that our work helps you create games or expand your horizons and opportunities. In this video, I would like to show you a mobile game that makes heavy use of ECS that I develop on a daily basis on the team at Immortal AI-driven Games, the developers of the mobile game Chicago Train. What you have seen is the game intro showing Big Bang. The game is called Starquake and will involve collecting particles which we will use as in-game currency. Spawning and collection of particles as well as animation are all done on ECS. I can also zoom in and out. For the purpose of the video, I'm moving with the mouse, while on mobile devices it is done by swiping. The particles collected for storage should be deposited in initial singularity, so they will be added to the player resources. We use VFX to achieve a high level of optimization with attractive visuals. It is worth noting that even at this stage of production, the game runs smoothly, around 60 FPS on a mobile device several years old. Using resources, we can create a graviton or a star. We select the structure of interest from the carousel and see the resources required. There will be different types of structures available in the future, and we currently have some examples just for development purposes. Gravitons collect particles all around and guarantee passive income. We will also be able to upgrade them later in the game. As you gain experience for collecting particles or putting up structures, you will level up and unlock the ability to travel between layers. The available layers in the current phase of the game are Quark Gluon Plasma, Atom, and Solar System. Each layer has unique features. For example, the Quark Gluon Plasma layer have clusters of elementary particles, the Atom layer have magnetic fields, and the Solar System layer have stars. In time, we plan to add more layers, such as the Galaxy layer, where you will be able to create civilizations. Star is our most extensive feature. It is spanned via ECS, then through an adapter we communicate with the Mono UI. It is a hybrid approach. In the window we can fuel up a step of the star's life. Let's upgrade storage capacity to be able to collect more particles. Once the burning step is complete, particles will begin to be emitted. Once the particles are collected, we can move on to the next step. The final step allows us to unlock new elements, which we will use to build new structures. In the mid-game phase, we will be able to automate the entire process of managing a star, but that's a topic for another material. In our game, we can also talk to the artificial intelligence Mr. Strange. There will be different tasks in game, and of course, there will be a tutorial. However, this part is still in development, as we are focusing on the gameplay and visual aspect. On the technical side, the project uses Xtendject, aka Zenject. They mentioned before ECS and VFX, but also a number of different design patterns and best practices, such as MVC, Builder, Command, Observer, Factory, and more other patterns. Also SOLID, DOTS, and OOP paradigms. Thanks for your time. I encourage you to subscribe and support us on Patreon. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! See you soon!